In 2011, a devastating earthquake struck, destroying much of Christchurch. Homes crumbled, lives were lost, and Christchurch's heart was shattered. And what stands today is nothing short of remarkable. Christchurch isn't just rebuilt, it's reimagined. And as we explored the city, we found stories of hope, strength, and a community that refused to give up. This is Christchurch. We reached Christchurch on a Sunday, and one thing we love about New Zealand is its Sunday market culture. And in Christchurch, the Riccarton Market was quite popular. It was such a fun place, the food, the music, and the lively atmosphere. Everyone was having a great time.
I know that you're going to really love that. Everybody usually tastes it and go, oh.
My God, this is just awesome.
Black smoke rising, darkening the day. 12 burning McDonald's.
We spent about 4 days in Christchurch and took the iconic tram rides to explore central Christchurch. These trams were incredible and really old, with some dating back over 100 years. It's such a cool way and a unique way to see the city. You could drop at any stop, walk around, and take the next one.
You looking to join us? So how much do you know about Christchurch?
The tram operators were friendly and shared many interesting stories about Christchurch. Central Christchurch was the most affected areas in the 2011 earthquake. It's been more than a decade now, but the city was still working hard to recover. We learned that billions was invested into the rebuild. The progress was slow but steady, and we could see the resilience of the people. It was truly inspiring, something we felt we could all learn from. One iconic landmark that was completely destroyed by the earthquake was Christchurch Cathedral. It's usually the first stop on the tram rides. The cathedral was closed, and what looked like the front elevation of the church was actually just wallpaper. There are about 17 stops, and these are the ones that we found the most beautiful and fun. And us being us, you're going to see a lot of food and culture. This is the famous bridge on Worcester Boulevard, designed in a classical style.
This bridge was completed in 1885, and it is at the site of the original bridges. The original bridges across the river.
Walking down the stairs besides the bridge, we reach the Avon River. A beautiful and a peaceful spot in the heart of the city with beautiful birds swimming gracefully. This is also one of the points for Punting, which takes you all the way to Christchurch Botanic Garden. The Botanic Gardens is another beautiful escape in the heart of the city, filled with towering trees and beautifully landscaped pathways. As we strolled to the gardens, we felt completely at peace, surrounded by nature's beauty.
Yeah, it's almost like a root. The root is extending. It could be a root or a stem, I don't know.
Next to the Botanic Gardens is the famous Eyesight, which is also a tram stop. It's the go-to place for visitors, offering maps, travel advice, and booking assistance for activities around Christchurch. It's a great spot to take a quick break, with some lovely cafes nearby.
That's not your food. That's not your food. That's not your food.
Bagging spoon.
Actually, I have 4 questions here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
The Bridge of Remembrance is one of Christchurch's iconic landmarks. It was built to honor all New Zealanders who served in various conflicts. It got damaged in the 2011 earthquake and then beautifully restored to this. Right next to the Bridge of Remembrance is the Riverside Market, a spot filled with amazing eateries.
What do you want for lunch?
A hearty bowl of Vietnamese pho.
Jecha, read what is right ahead of you.
Dosa kitchen.
What are you reading, Jay?
It's the perfect place to explore local flavors and enjoy a variety of delicious food in a lively atmosphere.
Cab number 606. This is a pork miso ramen. Not a Vietnamese pho, but close enough.
Dear Marie, hope you got somewhere to be. I've been floating out in space. I thought I'd write to you in case you felt alone, just like me with this anxiety. Is it all a simulation? Ones and zeros in an empty basement.
The last stop that we really enjoyed was Regent Street, where the tram takes you right through it.
Cause I'm lonely as ever, and I thought it'd get better. And I hope to see your face out there. Cause I'm lonely as ever, and it doesn't get better.
The street was filled with colorful buildings and unique architectures, lined with boutique shops, cozy cafes, and tattoo studios.
I don't know this guy.
You're going to love this.
Yeah.
So, I like it. It's really good. This is my stuff. What's that music?
On our last day, we went to the top of Lyttelton Scenic Reserve to see Christchurch from above. It was absolutely beautiful. From there, we could see central Christchurch, the place we were exploring for the past few days.
How's the view?
Oh, spectacular place. Look at that. Okay, so right there, that's Christchurch City. That's where we roamed around yesterday. Oh, that's really good.
Amazing views paired with great food. It doesn't get better than that. In that moment, we truly felt like we were living the life. And that wraps up our time in Christchurch. We were in New Zealand for about 2 months and we have about 15 episodes planned, so stay tuned. If you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. Our next episode is on Akaroa, a beautiful seaside town with a French heritage, often overlooked by travelers despite it being very close to Christchurch. Once that video is ready, you can check it out right here.